Hey y'all, so welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to start doing window shopping videos because I told y'all I'm looking for some new stuff to decorate my living room. The last time I did a video I was in Burlington. Well, they just opened a new Ross by me. This is my first time coming in here, so this is going to be the second video in the series, shop with me. So this one is going to be a window shopping edition, so I want to bring y'all along with me. Okay y'all, so I'm inside Ross. This Ross is really nice. So first off, before we get to the home decor, I'm gonna show you some stuff that they got for gifts. Like, I'm pretty sure all of them had this stuff, but if you trying to shop, you know, today is November 5th, and if you're trying to shop for like Christmas gifts, then girl, boy, man, woman, whoever watching this video, I'm ready to show you some stuff because it's really cute. Oh, these little gift sets is cute. I don't know what they smell like, but you can get a robe. Looks like a pumice stone for your feet, some lotion, and some body wash for $24.99. And then they even got like the little house shoes and some foot lotion and foot soak. And these are $12.99. I thought those was really cute. They also got these little slippers because I love buying little house shoes and stuff. Oh, those are $7.99. Look how cute they are. It's like a little bunny. And then, I mean, if you know the person that like to keep their teeth clean, these are like some really good things you could do for gifts. And this is cute too. Paris Hilton back with merch. But yeah, they always have good stuff. Like, look at this little beauty fridge warmer. What is this? Y'all see what that is? Switch from cooling to heating. Oh, if you was doing like a facial and you want your stuff to be warm, you put it in there. And then if you want your stuff to be cold, you can change the temperature. But this is cute. This would be a good gift for somebody. And it does come with the cord. And this is $39.99. Y'all, they got so much cute stuff for dogs. Look at this. That is so freaking cute. It is $6.99. Bella would be like, girl, I don't want to wear that. But that's so cute. And then look at this one. Look like a little, got a little tutu on it. I don't care what she say. I'm gonna have to get her one of these. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. And then she don't like toys, but these are kind of stores to come to get your dog some stuff. And like, look at this little onesie for a dog, because y'all know that's my baby. Look at that. Yeah, they didn't came up on these dog clothes. Look at that. And they got a whole bunch of like different dog outfits. Look at this. She would be so mad at me if I got her that. That is so cute. Oh my god, they got so many. So yeah, hit up Ross and get your dog some stuff. Look at that. Oh my god, how much is this? $8. And she could fit this. Oh my god. Bella, I want to get her this so bad. So of course, if you don't want to shop and get your toys at like Walmart or Target, Ross has every freaking thing. Like, this will be so cute for a little girl. Like, y'all, hit up y'all Ross if you don't feel like going to the bigger stores. So Peppa Pig is, I don't know what the price is. Oh, Peppa Pig is $8.99. They have, of course, all the toys, Barbie. Basically, they have kids' clothes galore. I could get my little guy baby something. A little journey. But yeah, you can come here and get toys. They super cheap. Cheaper than like at Target or Walmart. Like, this $6.99. They got some really cute stuff in here, and I said, save your coins. Like, save your coins and go to Ross. That'll be cute for my little my Alana Pooh. That's my niecey Pooh, my friend Adrian, her daughter. She called me the other day. She was like, Miss Nikki, I'm got my nails on. So this will be something so cute for her. She will freaking love that for Christmas. I'm probably gonna get her this. She's 6.5, going on 27. But she would like that. She definitely would like that. She's not 8 yet, but that'll be cute too. Like if you got a girly girl, like it's so many different things you can get. They kind of slacking on the little stationery and stuff, but if you're into, you know, planners and stuff like that, they always have those. Now the section that I'm really excited about, the home section. So what I like about Ross, because Marshalls don't really always have stuff like this, but Ross has it all. So you can get like your power surge cords, and they got doorknobs and screwdrivers and just everything. Like, but I'm always into like organization, and I've been in my apartment for a year, so I want to start doing some different stuff. I definitely want a hand mixer, and I heard Tasty has stuff, but this is made by Cuisinart, and that is so freaking cute. That'll match my kitchen. This is $24.99, which is not bad for a Cuisinart mixer. What else do they have? Like, I love like this. I really like this kind of stuff. I have something similar to this in my kitchen, so if you don't want to have like the dishwashing liquid bottle on your sink, you can get this dispenser and just squeeze out the soap when you need it. This has actually really helped me save on dishwashing liquid, because I used to just turn the whole thing over and just like put it in there. And when I say they got everything, like stuff for your car, this one's super fully stocked. Car mats. But I love cooking. So if you haven't checked out any of my cooking videos, I'm gonna put a link in the description box. I love cooking, and I always love to make sure I have enough cooking utensils and just everything. So I already have a whisk, but you can kind of get this stuff in here too, and it's super affordable. So I definitely need a meat tenderizer. But look, this stuff is cheap. That's $7.99. Well, yeah, so I actually need a different kind of cheese grater, because the one I have, there's nothing wrong with it, but it's kind of just, it's tedious to use it. But look at your girl, look at your girl. Got my coat on. Look at your girl, look at your girl, look at your girl, look at your girl. So of course, if you need any like glasses, or if you need any glasses or anything like that, you can get it at Ross. They have all the different cookware, the griddles, and y'all, this is nice down here. So this is a Capeline skillet. That's super nice. Then they got like stainless steel set. Like I say, you don't always have to go to like, this is not bad for $44.99. That's super nice. Like I say, like they got everything. This is a really good tea. I don't know if y'all try that brand, but it's good. And then they could always got like the exclusive like snacks and stuff like that. This will be so good on some hot chocolate. This peppermint crunch, and then some, they just always have like exclusive stuff like that. But y'all, look at these tumblers now. Like, you can keep these now. Like, you don't even have to get rid of the red cups. These are $8.99. Those are super nice. I love a good cutting board, either wooden or plastic. Either way to go. So let's get into this artwork. So this is where I was really excited to come in here to see what they have. And this is cute. Live every moment, love beyond words, laugh every day. $10.99. That is a good price for that. This is so cute. And it's only $9.99. Like, look at that. That'll match my bedroom. And then they have like, all you need is a dog, because it's my puppy. Very affordable, $5. That's cute. Love another. John 13 verse 34. This one is $6.99. Well, I'm sorry, y'all. This ain't one in the focus. $6.99. This will be good, like if you decorate for Christmas and stuff like that. You could do that. That's cute. See, the prices is real cheap. And then Be Kind. This is super nice. And y'all, can y'all believe that price? $24.99 for this canvas. That is so freaking cute. Now, one thing I don't have is coffee mugs. Now, I showed y'all some of these in Burlington last time, but these would really be cute because you can store them right in this container. And this is it's $8.99. So they got that one. They got these with it's real nice. Y'all, look at this paper, this napkin holder. Look at that. $4.99. See, I'm gonna be wanting to do everything over. Here goes some more dog stuff. Look at this, y'all. Baby, Bella would be so mad at me if I made her put this on. It's so freaking cute. Oh my god. Like, look at that one. Oh. Look at that one. That's cute. Okay, so it's always good. Look at this a Christmas tree collar. I have never seen that. Have y'all seen a Christmas tree collar before? Look at it. It's like Christmas tree collar. I have never seen it. Y'all, this is what I'm excited for. Christmas. So I didn't have a Christmas skirt last year, but baby, ain't these so freaking cute? Like $23.99. I'm definitely doing it up for Christmas. But just look at how cute these are. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, they affordable too. Oh my god, I love that. Like, the possibilities are freaking endless. Of course, they got like Christmas galore. But the Christmas is the Christmas skirts for me. And then more Christmas. Look at that. If you want to change a rug, put you a Mickey out there. I'm obsessed. Look at these trays. What I have is too dark. I was looking. That's cute, y'all. Look at these trays. I got one of these trays on my bed. Like, they got a lot of these shelves in here. Like, they cute. They cute. So y'all, they got so much stuff in here. So much stuff, and this is not a pay week, but I like to come window shopping so I know what they got. But it's so much cute stuff in here that I just want to buy everything. So let's finish looking. I got enough towels, but y'all, if you ever need towels, $6.99, and these are very, very thick plush towels. I love a good bath towel, especially when it's fresh out the dryer. Get your DKNY. You like the brand name. Okay, so my bedroom is pink, and this is very cute, and it's reversible. It is, I can't find the price, y'all. $24.99, which is not bad. Like, I like either pink or gold stuff. Now this Calvin Klein is kind of cute, but it says Japanese floral. I don't know if I'm really feeling that, but I do love this. And they've been making them now that be real soft, like house shoe soft. So they have some things in here, but I'm into like pinks and stuff. That's for a little kid, but that'll be cute for a kid's room. So yeah, this is also a good place to come. Ellen got a little bed set, and that's cute, but it's too gray. And that's, I knew her stuff was gonna be $59.99, baby. She's ain't giving us no deal. Look at this, a queen. This is sheets that feel like this. Y'all, this is like that furry material. So yeah. They also have like workout stuff and jump ropes and gloves and all of that stuff. Yoga mats, which I need me another yoga mat. So yeah, they got everything. Scale, wraps, all kind of stuff. Foam rollers. So yeah, hit them up. This like Marshalls and TJ Maxx cousin. Y'all, they be having all the exclusives, candy, all kind of stuff I ain't never seen. Like, what are these? Some more bark. Like, they be having all the exclusive snacks and stuff like that. So then, one more thing I want to show y'all. So, of course, they got like electronic stuff, pop sockets and cases. But lately, I've been seeing a lot of luggage at stores, and I had not been seeing luggage like all last year. And I feel like now, since people really back traveling, they've been putting luggage back out. I don't see nothing cute in here, but they definitely bringing the luggage back out. All the exclusive snacks and chocolates and candies. You know, this how they get you up at the register. I bet these good. So yeah, all the little stuff for the dogs. Ow. So this is gonna complete the shopping. I saw some stuff I wanted. My mom got some stuff. I really won't buy nothing. I was looking because I really don't know what I want, but I just wanted to let y'all know what Ross was hitting for. So I enjoyed y'all shopping with me. Comment below, subscribe, join the family, because there will be more shopping videos. Like, I gotta start looking for Christmas stuff, and I'm taking y'all with me. So I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship.